If you need to quickly insert the current time in LibreOffice Calc, this simple shortcut will save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds, whether you're working on a brand new spreadsheet or an existing file. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look at the left side under Create. From there, click Calc Spreadsheet to open a new spreadsheet, or if you already have a file open, you can simply use that existing workbook instead. This method works the same either way, so you can use it anywhere you need to record the current time. Once your spreadsheet is open, click the exact cell where you want the time to appear. This is important because Calc will place the time into whichever cell is selected, so double check that you're on the right one before continuing. If you want the time in a specific row or column for tracking entries, timestamps, schedules, or logs, just select that cell first. Now here's the key step. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Semicolon at the same time. That shortcut inserts the current time instantly into the selected cell. You do not need to type the time manually, and you do not need to use any menus or formulas. LibreOffice Calc will automatically place the current time value right into the cell for you. As soon as you press the shortcut, you'll see the time appear immediately. This is especially useful when you want to create quick records, note when data was entered, or add a live-looking timestamp to a worksheet. It's fast, accurate, and much easier than formatting the time yourself. One thing to remember is that this inserts the time at that exact moment. In other words, it's a fixed time entry, not a constantly updating clock. So if you need the current time again later, just click another cell and use the same shortcut again. This shortcut is one of those small productivity tricks that can make a big difference when you're working in spreadsheets every day. Whether you use LibreOffice Calc for personal tracking, office work, school, or business records, knowing this command can help you work much more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and time-saving software tips. I upload easy step-by-step videos that help you get things done faster, and I'd love to have you here for the next one. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to insert the current time in LibreOffice Calc in just one shortcut. See you in the next video.